focus of the day, back to New Delhi. The stage has been set for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's first rally in the national capital after being anointed as the BJP Prime Ministerial candidate. Narendra Modi will be making a grand entrance by flying directly with the chopper at the rally's venue in Japanese Park in Rohini. The BJP is laying a lot to store and has pulled out all stops to make it a grand success. The organizers say they are expecting at least 5 lakh people at the rally in a park in North Delhi's Rohini. Narendra Modi has been on a rally spree after being elevated as the party's Prime Ministerial candidate for 2014. He has addressed rallies in Rewari, Bhopal, also down south in Trichy and now New Delhi. Many believe that Narendra Modi will definitely take pot shots at Rahul Gandhi's criticism of his own government and on the disarray within the Congress party. Well, it's named Vikas Rally, that's Development Rally, and the Delhi BJP unit is hoping to resurrect its fortune ahead of the assembly polls in November. And sources are telling NewsX that candidates for Delhi polls could also be announced in this very rally. The entire Delhi BJP leadership is expected to be on stage with Narendra Modi in a show of strength and solidarity. And not just this, BJP had sent invitations to 45 foreign missions, of which 36 of them have already accepted the invitation. As far as the arrangements go, around 20 LED screens have been installed all across the city. CCTV cameras and a 100-feet-long cut-out of Narendra Modi have also been readied for his rally. Around 100 LED screens will be put up in market areas and across the city for the people who are unable to attend this rally. Parking space for around 5,000 buses and cars are also being made. And it's not just the BJP that has done preparations for Narendra Modi's rally. The Congress too has left no stone unturned to hit back at Narendra Modi in a unique way. The Delhi government is fighting out Narendra Modi's much-hyped Delhi rally on billboards. The Congress government of Delhi has placed some billboards that are putting out the difference in terms of road length and number of buses between two Delhi and Modi's Gujarat. A billboard also has Narendra Modi's caricature that has Narendra Modi praising the infrastructure in New Delhi. And ahead of BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Modi's rally in the capital on Sunday, that's today, Delhi Traffic Police has also issued an advisory recommending use of public transport to avoid traffic congestion. The Delhi Metro too has made special arrangements for BJP leader Narendra Modi's rally in the capital today, as an estimated 5 lakh people would be using the facility to reach that venue in north of Delhi. The DMRC would be pressing into service extra trains, also feeder buses, issuing return tickets and increasing the frequency of all trains going towards Rohini from the present 5 minutes to 3 minutes. This rally is to be held at Japanese Park in Rohini at 10 a.m. and is expected to garner a huge crowd, with Narendra Modi as well as other senior leaders of the party taking up the stage. And the advisory that has been put out for general public is that motorists should avoid the places in vicinity of this particular park, that's Japanese Park. It's situated at Dr. K.N. Katsu Mark, also Outer Ring Road from Piragari flyover to Mukarba flyover are areas that could be congested today. Delhi Traffic Police has recommended that all participants and those who wish to join this rally should avoid private vehicles and use the Delhi Metro rail service till Rithala Metro Station, which is very close to the venue.
ट्रैफिक के व्यापक इंतजाम किए गए हैं क्योंकि ट्रैफिक की काफी जगह पर कंजेशन होने की संभावना है। वो इस रैली में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं वो दिल्ली मेट्रो का उपयोग करें, क्योंकि रिठाला चौक रिठाला मेट्रो स्टेशन तक ये बिल्कुल पहुंचेगी और वहां से थोड़ी दूर पे पैदल के रास्ते पे ये रैली में वो शामिल हो सकते हैं।